Today we'll be telling either gold ETF, FOF is better, or you should invest in gold or into physical gold. A very big question, right? So first of all, let's go to this slide. In this fund name of Federalist is Gold and Silver ETF, FOF fund, Motilal Oswal, Gold and Silver, UTI Gold ETF, FOF, Quantum Gold Savings Fund and SBI Gold Fund. There is a comparison chart. You can take a screenshot. 1 year return approximately is highest for Advelisis Gold and Silver ETF, while 3 year return is also highest. But expense ratio is also highest in this category. So you have to choose accordingly. Going next, if you consider the key consideration, ETF versus FOF. What is the main thing required for ETF and what is that FOF thing? Let me explain. If you have a demat account, so gold ETF you can buy on a daily to trade basis. Gold FOF mein demat is not required, it is a normal mutual fund. But there is a glitch. What is the glitch? Investment method can be same for gold and gold ETF and gold FOF, that is SIP, lump sum or during the market hours. And in fact, gold FOF can be taken after the market hours also, but NAV will be calculated on the market hour only. Expense ratio is the main glitch, that is generally higher in gold FOF because it includes the underlying ETF fees, 0.1 to 0.6%. Liquidity is very high for gold ETF. On real-time basis, you can get it. But in gold FOF, it's valued at the day's end NAV. So you cannot exactly consider what amount you'll be getting in the gold FOF. Coming back next, if you see, there is a top-rated gold ETF FOF. What are that? Gold ETF FOF, that is UTI 1. UTI is frequently rated 5-star. It has shown strong performance also. 1 year return 74.6%, expense ratio 0.16%. Similarly, SBI ka hai, its AUM is greater than 10,000 crore. Its expense ratio is very low, 0.10%, and delivered a 3-year return of approximately 33.24%, that is decent return. Quantum Gold Savings Fund, it has no exit load and a competitive expense ratio 0.04, very less, and 3 years return of 33.2%. So through this way you can check it, like expense ratio should be less, return should be more or equal, then you can select it. ICICI Prudential Regular Gold Savings Fund, that is a consistent performer. AUM is 4480 crore and 1 year return of 73.7%. Now just consider high performance gold and silver alternative, because some investors are opting for hybrid. They are not taking like only silver ETF or FOF gold ETF. They are also considering Advelisis Gold and Silver ETF FOF delivered exceptionally 1 year return of 115.1% due to silver allocation, while Motilal Oswal Gold and Silver ETF 98.8%. So if you are considering hybrid, that is also a good option. Otherwise, you can take it separately. This is a small key comparison chart for the investor with 1 year return, expense ratio and the minimum SIP amount. If you check in the 1 year return portion, the highest is of UTI Gold ETF FOF and expense ratio is lowest in case of Quantum Gold Savings Fund. What is selection tip? Best point is selection mein first of all you check the expense ratio. Lower ratio like SBI Quantum means more of your money is actually invested in gold and you are not paying the hefty charges. Exit load kitna? Most funds mein 1% if you redeem within 15 days. But some like Quantum or Zerodha may have no exit charges. Still exit load will not matter much because anyways, if you gold mein invest kare, you will be investing for a longer duration, right? So you'll be keeping the fund. So exit load, this factor you can remove it as of now. Now comes the third factor, direct versus regular. Always opt for the direct plan through platform like Grow, IND Money, Zerodha Coin to avoid the distributor commission and maximize return. You can directly take through the website as well. Keeping these tips in mind, you can select between the ETF or FOF depending upon your way of investment. So thank you guys. If you have any questions or queries, please pin it in the comment box. Definitely I'll reply to it. Thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe.